How to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. Open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and find who can see your content. Tap on Hide Story and Live, then choose Hide Story From. Now select all your followers. This makes your story invisible to everyone. Once that's done, head back to the Instagram home screen. Tap your profile picture to create a new story. Upload the story content you want to include in your highlight. Tap the arrow icon at the bottom right to move forward. Then tap Share, and your story is now posted, but hidden from followers. Now add that story to your highlights. Tap Done, and the content is saved in your profile highlight. Once that's finished, go back to your story settings. Open Hide Story. From again and deselect all followers. This way, your next stories will be visible as usual. And that's how you add highlights without anyone seeing the story live.